Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another hair video, y'all. So today is something a little bit different. These are crochet passion twists in my head, y'all. This video is sponsored by Toyotress hair, y'all, on Amazon. I think I got their name right, but I will leave it in the description right below. But it is this company right here. They are a Amazon brand. You can order as many types of twists. You can order dreadlocks. If you don't want to go to the shop to get your hair done, this is basically a protective style for your hair. I was waiting the longest time to get braids in my hair because I just had to go get them done. Like, I don't have a personal braider that can braid my hair. Don't forget to go check them out in the description right below. I love the green on me. I love this hair. It's so pretty. It's giving me very much soft vibes. It's giving me very much earthy girl. Is giving me very much. I am in love with it. She's going to show you how to install these passion twists. Okay, they come on a ringlet, y'all, and basically what you do is cut the ringlet, take it off, and crochet it to the braids. All of that will be demonstrated in this tutorial so that you can see how it is done. Great quality passion twists. Braids, I love it, but the only thing is I didn't get enough bundles, so it wasn't a whole head. But the thing is, with me, that was my fault because too many braids. So if you do less braids, it will be definitely enough. If y'all want to see how my mom installed these passion twist dreads in my head, then please continue to watch.
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
Hey y'all, let's get into it. I got sent over some packs of crochet bundles from Toyotress here, and I don't even know how many packs they sent, but they sent over a lot of packs. And it would have been enough to fit my head, but I just got too many braids, so just know that probably about 10 packs you will need to fill a whole head. So my mom is basically spraying some stuff to moisturize my braids and also some oil to basically make my hair feel a little bit better, because baby, them Africans at the shop will pull your damn brain out, okay? But y'all, that's what she's doing before she starts the crochet. So now she's crocheting it, and it's gonna get redundant, so I'm not really gonna talk during this whole thing. But what she's gonna do is basically, they did send a crochet tool to actually install these. These are called passion twists, and what she's doing is taking the crochet, sticking it through my braids, hooking the first passion twist on the crochet tool, locking it up, pulling it through, and she's going to twist the opening and stick the rest of the hair through the opening and pull it to lock it in. I don't know if that makes sense to you, but just get what she's doing. Just look at what she's doing and you'll understand the concept. It's very easy to do. You can actually do this on yourself. I could have did this on myself, but I would rather for my mom to do it because she knows all the places to get, and you know I'm bald head, so she got to cover them areas, okay? So you can't see nothing, okay? So what she's gonna do is basically start on each braid and just kind of fill it out the way she's gonna go with it. And you see lately, y'all, she was acting really bad. She really kept doing stuff for y'all. I kept telling her, sit down, girl, sit down. But that's all she's doing. And then like those areas that you get close to, like, y'all know my hair is like really fragile, y'all. So when you get closer to the braids at the tip, at the front where my edges are out, and notice that my edges are laid because I did get a perm. I didn't perm my whole head. I just permed the my mom permed the edges that were out. Those are technically not edges, but we gonna call them edges because that's what we do, because when you're bald head, you gotta take your hair out and make the edges. But yeah, that's what she did. She took those edges out and permed them, and she accidentally took too many edges out, but all in all, it did work out fine because it gave it a little style, like, you know what I'm saying? It was really cute. It came out so cute to me. So I'm gonna speed it up so that y'all can see. She's gonna do the same thing. And yeah, y'all, I hope that y'all enjoyed this tutorial of her crocheting my these passion twists in from Toyotress hair. And then you're gonna see the point where she gets to basically swirling my hair. I'll probably come back when she swirls my hair, because y'all gotta know what she's doing, y'all. But I'm coming back, y'all. Just keep watching, and don't forget to go check out Toyotress hair from Amazon in the description bar below. And I'm gonna come right back.
Tell you don't know what to do. And though it might hurt, I'ma tell you the truth. At least most of I use my priorities as an excuse. Oh no, no. Girl, my priority should have been you. Yeah, when I got on, I was on. I'm alone. Oh, priorities. Ignoring these signs, baby. Ignoring these signs. I'm trying to catch on, like in the meantime. Baby, I mean, I'm crazy for not taking you serious. Guess I gotta live with it all. Guess I gotta live with it. I wish I had more than this is it. I don't think I can live with this. Can't get any more real than this. Girl, I can tell you don't know what to do. Girl, my priority should have been you. Yeah, when I got on, I was on. I'm alone. Oh, priorities. Girl, my priority should have been you. Yeah, when I got on, I was on. And I'm alone. Oh, priorities. Only I know about every lie told. No guy coded. Love lies though. We kiss with both eyes open. Trust me like you used to, girl. Want me like you used to, babe. Need me like the air you need to breathe. Just like your heart gon' miss a beat if you don't. It's some of the sweet time, babe. You wanna be mine, babe. Let's rewind it. I put my work before you. I know I'm worth it with you. Feel like if I heard you, it's true. You saying that it's too late. Like I had a curfew with you. No, 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 no. Girl, I can tell you don't know what to do. And though it might hurt, I'ma tell you the truth. At least most of I use my priorities as an excuse. Oh no, no. Girl, my priority should have been you. Yeah, when I got on, I was on. I'm alone. Oh, priorities. Ignoring these signs, baby. Ignoring these signs. I'm trying to catch on, like in the meantime. Baby, I mean, I'm crazy for not taking you serious. Guess I gotta live with it all.
Okay, y'all, I told y'all I was gonna come back to this part. Excuse my heater in the first voiceover that I did. If y'all hear that but not as loud, that was my heater on. I was right next to it. But the edge control that she used, y'all, she switched it. This is called Magic's Collection, and it's called Edge Effect. It's a professional edge control. It says hold level 5 extreme hold. It's in the beauty supply, y'all, so if y'all go look, then it's there. It's in a pink container. And what she's doing is basically swirling, and she noticed that it was too much, y'all. But she's basically taking sections of my hair, which we're going to create as the edges, and she's going to take the comb, put some gel on it, swirl it, and take her fingers to mold the edge, if you know what I'm saying. And when it's permed, it lays way better, y'all. But y'all don't have to perm your hair, but it says this edge control will hold your hair. So if you have hair that's not permed, or if you have hair that's permed, just know that perm hair is going to lay better than hair that's not permed. So, but this edge control is really good. And yeah, y'all, watch her slay these edges, y'all. Y'all finna see her do some little creative stuff, like she's swirling, and she gonna leave one out and kind of do that little circle thing that people be doing, y'all. It's so many ways to express edges. Like, it's so creative. You can get so creative. And yeah, that's what she did, and it goes so well with these passion twists, y'all. And this is it, y'all. That's all she did, and that's all you can do to do a protect. I feel like this is a protective style. Well, my edges is strong though for me. But if you feel like your hair is like strong enough for these, then this is a protective style. And yeah, they are so good to maintenance, y'all. You just put your bonnet on, you get a shower, you get out, you put your makeup on, you take it down, and you just put it to the side, baby. I swear, this is something I need. I wish they sent them longer, because I would love them longer. I feel like I could do as many different styles if they were longer. But yeah, I just wore them to the side. You could do middle, but to the side looks way better. But yeah, she's gonna finish off my hair, and that is it. Don't forget to go check out Toyotress hair in the description bar below, y'all. They are from Amazon, not Express. They are from Amazon, so don't forget to go check them out in the description bar below. And tell them that Briana Marie sent you. And until then, I'll see you guys on my outro. Should have been you. Yeah, when I got on, I was on. And I'm alone. Only I know. Every lie told it. No guy coding me. Love lies though. We kiss with both eyes open. Trust me like you used to, girl. Want me like you used to. Need me like the air you need to breathe. Just like your heart gon' miss a beat if you don't. Get some of this sweet time, baby. You wanna be mine, baby. Let's rewind, baby. I put my work before you. I know I'm worth it with you. Feel like if I heard you, it's true. You saying that it's too late. Like I had a perfect with you. Oh no.
tell you don't know what to do. And though it might hurt, I'ma tell you the truth. At least most of. I use my priorities as an excuse, oh no, no. This girl, my priority should've been you. Yeah, when I got on, I was on. I'm alone. Oh, priorities. Ignoring these signs, baby. Ignoring these signs. I'm trying to catch on. Not in the meantime. Baby, I'm crazy for not taking you serious. Guess I gotta live with it all. Guess I gotta live with it. I wish I had more than this is it. I don't think I can live with this. Can't get any more real than this. Girl, I can tell you don't know what to do. This girl, my priority should've been you. Yeah, when I got on, I was on. I'm alone. Oh, priorities. This girl, my priority should've been you. Yeah, when I got on, I was on. I'm alone. Oh, priorities. Only I know about every lie I told him. No guy coding me. Love lies, though. We kiss with both eyes open. Trust me like you used to, girl. Want me like you used to, babe. Need me like the air you need to breathe. Just like your heart gon' miss a beat if you don't. Get some of this sweet time, babe. Yeah, you wanna be mine, babe. Let's rewind, babe. I put my work before you. I know I'm worth it with you. Feel like I heard you it's true. You saying that it's too late. Like I had a perfect with you. No, 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 no. Girl, I can tell you don't know what to do. And though it might hurt, I'ma tell you the truth. At least most of. I use my priorities as an excuse, oh no, no. This girl, my priority should've been you. Yeah, when I got on, I was on. I'm alone. Oh, priorities.
So much for watching this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoy. I hope that y'all take it into consideration to get y'all some of these passion twist locks, baby, because look, they get so cute. Hope that y'all enjoy. Don't forget to go check out Toyotress hair in the description bar below. Tell them that Briana Marie sent you, and until then, I'll see you guys on my next hair tutorial.